Hello everybody, my name is Yuri Safrono, also known as Professor Forex. I hold a PhD degree in finance and I teach students at the university. I'll give you my findings about Markets.com in just 5 minutes. In order for us to continue to create insightful video like this, please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the first point. Who's behind Markets.com? Markets.com is a brand of SafeCap Investment Limited, subsidiary of the software giant Playtech plc. This company made over 1 billion euros of revenue last year and is listed on the stocks exchange. For you, this means that all their financials are listed publicly as per the law. So their parent firm is listed on the stocks exchange. Does this mean that Markets.com is trustworthy? Well, yes, but the other thing of importance is to look at the broker's regulation. Markets.com is regulated by 6 financial authorities like UK's FCA and Australian ASIC. Having this said, I do conclude that Markets.com is a reliable broker. Broker offers multiple platforms, namely the most popular trading platform MetaTrader 4, but also their newer version MetaTrader 5. Besides this, Markets.com created their own proprietary trading platform called Cyrix Web Trader Platform. This is more of a social trading platform that allows you to view what others are doing and then you can copy that for your own trades. When I checked their available account types, I have to say that Markets.com offer a decent range of accounts, which is good for beginners to expert traders. There are 3 different trading accounts types you can choose from. The first one is a retail trading account. This is basically the standard live trading account with the minimum deposit of $100. The second is the professional trading account. This is for experts who trade in large volumes with a minimum investment of £500 million. The last trading account Markets.com offers is the Islamic trading account for traders seeking for interest-free accounts that's aligned to principles of Islamic Sharia law. After reviewing Markets.com, I got to say that the broker is transparent about its trading fees. In fact, all their spreads per trading pair is listed on their website. In the baseline, Markets.com offers only a variable spread since there is currently no fixed spread available. Markets.com CFDs trading fees are average, while Forex and crypto trading fees are on the higher end. In terms of fees for deposits and withdrawals, Markets.com don't charge for those. So in the end, I do agree that Markets.com is one of the prominent brokers out there in the market for CFD trading and Forex trading, and the main reason for this is because Markets.com is regulated by multiple financial institutions and listed on the stocks exchange. Also, I found that all the clients' funds are held in segregated bank accounts. This means that even if Markets.com goes bankrupt, your funds are protected. Markets.com offers over 2,200 trading pairs together with many research and educational tools available, such as AutoChartist. This is a very nice tool that automatically scans the market 24/7 for trading opportunities. All in all, my final verdict about Markets.com is 9 out of 10 points, which also marks the end of this A to Z broker review video. The ball now is in your court. If you have any questions regarding Markets.com which I didn't cover in this video, just pop your comment in the question section below. I'll answer them as soon as I can. Last but not least, please like this video and subscribe to our channel in order for us to continue doing such videos. Ciao for now and see you in the next video.